The crime situation in sections of St. Elizabeth has reached worrying levels. 7 people have been shot, 3 fatally, since the start of this week, leaving residents terrified. The shootings happened between Sunday night and Wednesday morning in Carisbrooke, Brompton, and Five Spen in St. Elizabeth. In Carisbrooke, a Canadian couple who came for a relative's funeral was attacked by robbers about 3 o'clock Wednesday morning. It's understood that the Jamaican-born Canadian man and his wife were at home when gunmen entered.
I mean, you want to jump through the window, like jump down from there. And then we start ball out. And then one grown back and bust 2 shots in the door around there.
The crooks demanded money from a cookout they had on Tuesday. When the demand was not met, the men shot them both. They were assisted to hospital for treatment. On Monday, the body of a farmer, 66-year-old Egbert Dixon, was found with chop wounds in bushes behind his house, also in Carisbrooke. No motive has been established for that killing. In Brompton, a triple shooting at a bar sometime after 7 Tuesday evening left 1 woman dead and 2 men injured. The dead woman has been identified as 21-year-old Shadana Wilmot, otherwise known as Punchy. She was the single mother of a 4-year-old boy. Her mother told us that she was at the shop with the others when the shooting happened.
I don't hear 2 man, I don't hear man just come like run up and just play a shot. Play a shot, right? And when I check out there when I run, and when I see my daughter left back out here, so and when I turn back, I be a gunshot.
She says her daughter had been shot several times. The police were called and Shadana was pronounced dead on the spot. 2 men who had also been shot were taken to hospital. Residents were too terrified to speak on camera, but say they are not used to such violence.
Don't know where this coming from right now. Swear to God. Right now I'm singing so rough.
This shooting is the second such incident in Brompton in a matter of hours, as the previous night, a man who is said to be from Kingston was attacked by gunmen in the area. And on Sunday, residents of Warlodge Lane in Five Spen reported hearing gunshots. The body of 36-year-old Omar Lambert, a cook shop operator, was discovered at his house on Tuesday. Residents became concerned when Mr. Lambert did not open his cook shop days after.